Today I'm sharing with you the powerful technique which is called the hooponopono technique. And if you are meeting the first time, my name is Alexander Joel, and Love Attraction Coach. So today I would like to share with you the powerful technique or powerful way that is called hooponopono. So I want to know how many of you are experiencing the negative emotion, the negative feeling in your day by day, in your daily life, in your daily activity. So the reality is when we are experiencing this emotion, negative emotion, we are denying this negative feeling. So instead of to accept, to acknowledge this negative feeling, negative emotion. So I want to share with you how to use or how to handle this negative feeling, how to rectify in correct way, in correct manner, and how to practice methods reduce the negative emotion, negative feeling in your body, in your minds that we experience day by day. So, what is the Ho'oponopono technique? So, this technique is a Ho'oponopono prayer that is used by the ocean, by Hawaiian people, by Hawaiian community to rectify, to remove the fear that you experience in their daily life, to clear, to clean the negative feeling that you are feeling. Like if you feel sad, if you feel guilty, if you feel anxiety, they use this technique to clear, clean, to balance, and reset to zero the negative feeling that you feel, that you're experiencing. So this technique was not popularized in the community or in the world, but been popularized by Dr. Hulen. But the question is, how Dr. Hulen applies this technique? In the Hawaii State Hospital, there is a ward full of mental patients. And these mental patients were extremely violent. They are mental ill. And the staff in the hospital, they were frustrated. And they don't know how to cure these people. They don't know how to heal these people. They fear these people. And they find Dr. Poland. And Dr. Poland used this technique to heal these people. To heal these people. And the best way was he used emotion to heal these people. He healed them without touching them. He healed them without speaking to them. And he healed them without giving them medicine. So, how did he do it? Or how did he attack the music in his life? So, he said this first statement, this four powerful affirmation. He said, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I did. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And according to him, and according to the law of attraction, everything, everything in universe is moving with me energy. This is the center of energy. You is energy, I'm energy, and the brain is energy, and the mental patient is also energy. So if everything is made with energy, so we are connecting to each other. If I hear the negative feeling in me or around me, so it is also benefit, also cause benefits. Feel the negative energy that's around you, that's around you in your mind or inside your of your body. because the everything in the universe is energy. So you take the 100% responsibility. If you take the 100% responsibility, you own the situation, you own all the emotion feeling, all the negative feeling, you own them. So by taking it, I'm sorry that you say I'm sorry to whatever you have done, that you make a mistake. So you say, please forgive me. So you say, you ask the forgiveness from the universe. And you say thank you. You say thank you to the universe for giving me the wisdom to understand the whole process of the healing process. And you say, I love you. You say, I love you means that it's a self-love. It means that it's love toward the others. And you say that I love you to the universe. And you say that I love you to everything. So you need to say this. If you feel anything, if you feel any sin, any anger, you do it. If you feel inside that, you do it. If you feel any nervous, you do it. If you feel fear, you do it. We just want to practice that you take 2 deep breaths. Then you repeat this first statement twice. And imagine how do you feel after this? The relaxation, the happiness. So you don't want to feel this one again there, the relaxation and the happiness. So the more you repeat this one, the more you do this one. So the more you create the energy, the negative energy, the more you create the happiness with you and to the people around you. Because you are cleaning all the negative energy. So you create the happiness around you. So that is for today. So share this video to your family and your friend if they are even frustrated, if they are having negative emotion, if they are experiencing the negative emotion, please say to them. And if you get it, a good result, please comment in the chat box or click in the link in the description so you can join the WhatsApp group where we all share all our communication there. So thank you very much. Bye.